All right, let's take a whirlwind tour through one of the most jaw-dropping countries on Earth, Jordania. Yeah, you've heard of Petra, but trust me, there's a whole lot more packed into this tiny Middle Eastern gem. Let's kick things off in Amman, the capital. It's buzzing with lively markets, ancient Roman ruins, food that'll have you drooling, falafel, hummus, nafa. Down the road, Jerash is like a real-life time machine. Colonnaded streets, massive temples. All right, buckle up. Next stop, Petra. Walking through the Sikh. That first glimpse of the treasury. Goosebumps every single time. Climb to the monastery. The hike and the views. Now let's get wild in Wadi Rum. Red sand, towering cliffs, a sky so clear you can see the Milky Way. 4x4 ride, camel ride. Feel like another planet. Craving a float? The Dead Sea is next. Slather on the mud. Float like a cork in the saltiest water on Earth. Classic newspaper float photo. Finish up in Aqaba for a splash of the Red Sea. Snorkeling, diving, chilling on the beach. Jordania's got it all. History, adventure, food, landscapes you'll never forget. Trust me, you'll leave with stories you'll tell for a lifetime.